What's up YouTube, this is Soldier Barber Life, and today going to be doing a unboxing on this new clipper set that I just got. So just got the Suprent clipper set. Now this one is the clipper and trimmer set, which is the HC596, and then I also have the Suprent HC595G. So this is basically the same clipper as this one, but in a gold finish. So we're going to be doing a unboxing of both of these and just talking about what all comes in it. So first, just wanted to say, these clippers here, this is going to be your budget option clippers. If you're on a tight budget, if you're a new beginning barber, you're just coming into barbering, or you're at home cutting your own hair, this is definitely something that you could want to use for your own self, or something that's going to cost you under $100. Nowadays the price of clippers are going up to anywhere from $150 to $250 range. So definitely, to be able to get something like this, especially if you're talking about a clipper and trimmer set, you're going to be spending well over $300. So this is definitely a alternative for you. So what we have here, it does come with the cape. You see this cape here. It doesn't feel like it's really a thick cape, but it gives you something. If you're starting out, this is definitely something that you could use to start off with, or if you're cutting at home or whatever that may be. Definitely don't need nothing more than that. We've got a comb. It's a two-sided comb. We got a thicker side over here, and then a fine tooth comb. And it also has a little part here that you can use for parting, so that's a good addition to have. We've got our two charging cords, and they are both look like they're both USB, and then both of these plug into the clippers there. Doesn't look like there's a actual charging block with them, so you would have to use your own charging block that you have. We have a little bottle of oil, clipper oil. Look like we have 3 guards for your trimmers. Most people don't use these, but you could use them if you're using that just to maintain your beard and stuff. So some people do use them. And then we have some clipper guards. So looks like we have, it says we got the 1/16 guard, a 1/8, 3/16. We've got a 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch guard, and a 1/2 inch guard. So definitely got enough guards to get the job done. So let's move on to the clipper and the trimmer itself. So these trimmers, just the feel of it, it doesn't feel cheap. These definitely feel like they're heavy duty, they're good quality. They don't feel like they are cheap or gonna break apart or anything. So do a sound test on them. I definitely feel like they have some power to them for sure. That's nice. And it looks like the blade comes already 0 gapped already, so that's pretty close. If you could look at that already, that's a pretty close blade, so probably can definitely give you a nice lineup. So we'll definitely test that out as well. And the clipper. So like I say, same thing. We have this metal body housing here. It feels good in the hand. It feels pretty ergonomic. Let's pop this off. It's a little stiff. on the lever, but you could definitely adjust that to your liking. And then, you know, as you use it more, I'm pretty sure it's will loosen up. But it's an all metal housing, feels good ergonomically in the hand. It's got a metal lever as well, and it looks like it's a fade blade that's on here. So let's see. That's pretty close to being zero gap. It's not all the way zero gap, but that's definitely close enough for whatever you need to get done. So let's take this off, do a sound test on this as well. So sound feels like it's got a decent amount of power. Definitely doesn't feel as strong as some of like the name brand ones, clippers that I've had, but it definitely feels like it's got enough power that it'll get the job done. What I really like about this is it has the display on the front here, so it lets you know how much time is left in minutes on that clipper. Alright, so the next part we're going to unbox just the individual clipper itself. So you have these, like I say, the Suprent HC596G. Let's unbox this one. It's got some instruction manuals, warranty info. What's good about this, I mean, it comes with a lot of the same stuff, and this is just the individual clipper. So we've got a tape that it comes with, a little instruction manual. We've got a comb that comes with this. This does feel, this is a good quality thick comb that it comes with here. And same thing, we have that USB charging cable for this, no plug. We have our guards, so it looks like the same guard setup. And these guards don't feel cheap. They do feel like they're pretty premium, so they do feel like they're decent. Like I said, we have all of them going up to a number 4 guard. And then, you know, you have your cleaner. Have your lube, and then on this one the clipper itself. So same thing, looks pretty good. Like I say, it's that metal feel to it. It definitely feels premium, but this one does have the gold finish on it. So the front here, we've got ourselves a gold lever and a gold blade on the back. This, like I say, that feels it's a little, the lever's a little stiff right now, but I think it'll loosen up over time, or if need be, you could definitely loosen that up. So we'll do a sound test on this one. Good thing there, like I said, we have that display in the front, so that's nice, lets you know how much time you got left on that clipper. So that'll do it for this unboxing here. I will be doing a review of these, so I'm going to be using both of these clippers. I will be doing a review, and I'm actually going to be giving everything that you see here. I will be giving this all away. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment down below if you have any questions. These can be purchased on Amazon, and I'll also put the link to their website. So if you want to purchase these, you definitely will be able to. Very affordable clippers, and we'll test them out, see how they perform.